Hey guys, things might be a little bit loud for this video, but I just wanted to show you kind of my temporary office space during COVID-19 to save some money, and just as we're transitioning from moving from Hawaii to Grand Rapids, Michigan. And yeah, just an encouragement that you can make any space work to do video calls with clients or to record YouTube videos or any kind of videos that you want to record. And yeah, so I'm going to give you a little tour here. I'm sitting in our bedroom right now. So I'm sitting down, I'm on some floor pillows. I'll show you the whole setup. It's a little bit messy, but I just want to give you an overview and just show you how you can literally make anything work. This isn't going to be a long-term permanent solution, but you probably hear some kids in the background and stuff, but I just want this to be a really simple video to show you, the environment I'm working in right now and how I can continue to work from home and what a blessing it is anyways. Thank you guys for being here. If you're enjoying these videos, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified. And let me know if you have any questions or videos that you want me to keep producing. I'm going to be sending some more out soon. I'm so thankful that you're here, and I know it's been a little while since I posted, so I just thought I'd update with a simple one. And yeah, thank you guys. Bye. Here's kind of my setup, and I kind of sit right here usually. What this actually is though is on the ground. I just sit on some floor pillows there, and then I take this picture. It's usually hanging right up here next to that, and I just lower it down on another nail, so that way I just have this nice white blank wall with a picture next to it. So it's beautiful and it's cohesive and it's compositionally correct. And if you look on the other side, you'll see where my camera usually sits. It's usually sitting right up there. And then sometimes I'll sit at the edge of the bed here on the floor pillows and set the computer up there and work. Or I'll sit in the bed and work from there. I got the charger on the side. I'll lay on the bed. And then I got a little work closet back over there. Some just nice natural light coming in from our windows. And we're in the process of moving from Hawaii back to Grand Rapids. So like I said, it's a little bit messy. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys how you can literally make a office space or a recording space out of pretty much anything. So that's my little studio. And as you can see, it's just in my bedroom on the floor. This isn't going to be a long-term solution, obviously, but something makeshift for such a weird year. So thank you guys for following along, and I'm so excited to just keep sharing ways that you can save money and help your business grow whatever season you're in. And yeah, I'll be releasing some more videos here shortly. Take care, you guys.